Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be another Dulce collection project share. As you guys know, I've been playing around with this collection. I kind of took the weekend just to play around with it and make a couple of things. I needed a little Halloween break, but I'll be right back into it next week because I'm going to be working on a past Halloween swap, and I'm going to be doing that on my channel with you guys, preparing it, and then at the end, of course, packaging it up and showing you guys the end results. So stay tuned for that. But on today's video, I want to show you guys some bag toppers that I made, and this is what they turned out like. I think they look so cute. So the doily on the bottom, which is this beige off-white, is this paper right here from Michaels, and I cut it on my Cricut. And there's tons of layers, you guys. We have the star tool, we have the other doilies. I have a mint green doily. I think I showed you guys the plain bag topper on my previous video, and this is what it looks like all decorated. So there's tons of layers, there's stickers. I absolutely love it. I did my little cotton candies and they look so cute. I put a little tassel. I even put some little butterflies from my paper cherries kit. And look at this one, you guys. And these stickers are from, I think, I always forget the name of, Jolie's Boutique. These are super popular but super hard to find. So this is the first one. Then we have this one. You guys, I love how girly and delicate they look. Here's some balloons from the Hobby Lobby stickers. I did the tassel and the butterfly on all of them. There's some pom-pom trim, some of the little chipboard, the star tool. That's that one. Look at this one, you guys. I love it. So cute. There was like this little banner right here, like a banner flag. And put a little pom-pom at the end. That's a tassel and the little star. Not the star, the butterfly. There's tickets, the cotton candy, the little gold animals. Tons of layers. These are so fun and would look so cute on top of any little packaging. So that's that one. And here's the last one with the cute little carousel horse. Some flowers. We have a little sequins. These cute little bows from, I think, Heidi Swap. And then we have some little gold thread. I did 2 layers on the little ephemera piece. Ticket in the back. Super fun. There's tulle back there as well. And yeah, you guys, those are my bag toppers. I absolutely love them. This collection is so fun to play with. Everything looks so pretty and girly once it's done. These are the memory decks cards that I had made. I have one that's going to be shipped out that it's because I'm selling the cards. So one of these, I forgot which one it is no longer available. But yeah, you guys, if you're ever interested in anything that I show, you could just shoot me an email and we could discuss it there. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for more past Halloween next week, and I will catch you next time. Bye.